Namaskar Bhavanites. Today our topic of discussion is shoot system. Students, you all have seen plants. You all have seen different parts of the plant. Today we will study about these parts of the plant and their function in detail. Plants comprises of root, which is under the soil. So parts have two plants, the part which is under the soil and the part which is above the ground. Now the part which is under the soil is called root system, and the part which is above the ground is called shoot system. Now the shoot system comprises of stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. Just as our body parts perform different function, in the same way these parts of the plant also perform different function. Today we will study about these parts of the plants and their function. As we have seen, the shoot system consists of stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, these all parts perform different function. Let us study about stem. In big trees, stem is thick and strong and woody. It is called bark. The thinner stems are known as branches. When the plant is small, the stem is green and soft. But when it grows, the stems become very hard, woody, and it is known as trunk. I am showing you a big tree. This is Ashoka tree. The other examples of big tree are mango, neem, and you can also see so many trees around you, banyan tree, etc. In some plants, stem remains soft and green and they don't grow tall. They are close to the soil. These are called herbs. For example, grass, mint. पुदीना खाते हो ना सारे पुदीने की चटनी, that is mint. That is also a herb. Coriander, dhania, that is also a herb. And in some plants, they are taller than the herbs but shorter than the trees. I am showing you this rose plant. See, the stems are smaller than the stem of the trees. When the plant is young, the stem is green, but when it grows gradually, the stems become brown in color and woody. Such type of plants are called shrubs. This is a rose plant. This is a tulsi plant. This is also shrub. They are shorter than trees but taller than herbs. Now some plants are very weak and soft. They need support to stand. They can't stand on their own. Such type of plants are called climbers. For example, money plant. Their stem is very soft and green and it can't stand on its own. So they need a support to climb. Sometimes a moss stick is used to help the plant to climb. Other type of plant we have creepers. You all know creepers are the creatures which crawl on the ground. For example, snake. They crawl on the ground. In the same way, in some plants, the stem is very weak, just like climbers, and soft, but they have heavy fruits. so they cannot climb. They creep on the ground. Such plants are called creepers. For example, watermelon, pumpkin, etc. These are the examples of creepers. Now let us study the functions of stem. We all have studied different types of stem. Hard and woody stem in trees, soft green stem in herbs and shrubs, and very weak and soft stem in case of climbers and creepers. Now let us study the functions of stem. Stem bears flowers, leaves and fruits which have different functions to perform. Stem gives support to the plant to stand. Stem also carries water and other nutrients which are absorbed by the roots from the soil to different parts of the plant. So, stem is like a carrier of nutrients. And some stem, in some cases, the stem store extra food which is eaten by us. For example, potato. Potato is a stem. Okay? These were the functions of stem. Now in our next class we will learn something more about shoot system. Thank you.